Hi everyone, today let's talk about the word tragic. Tragic. Tragic is an adjective that describes something extremely sad, distressing, or disastrous. It's used when something awful or heartbreaking happens. Some synonyms for tragic are mournful, devastating, and catastrophic. On the flip side, antonyms include joyful, cheerful, and fortunate. Basically, the opposite of sad or disastrous. Let me give you a few examples to make it clear. The death of the young athlete in a car accident was truly tragic. It was a tragic mistake that led to the collapse of the entire project. The movie's tragic ending left everyone in tears. Losing their home in the fire was a tragic event for the entire family. So that's the word tragic. It's a powerful word that captures a feeling of deep sadness or loss. Try using it in your conversation. Just hope you don't have too many tragic moments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more word tips. See you next time. Happy learning.